lot of returns are based on the sizing and the fit.
Exactly.
So yes, when I also created brand, we do a lot of R&D on the patterns first and testing it out. But how did you test it? With
Daughters.
Acha.
And whenever there was used to be a new style coming out, I used to ask my friends and family, like, how it's looking. Because I have worked with, like, merchandiser who were working with, like, international brands earlier,
Yeah.
UTB
Yes.
and Monsoon, London. They were coming with that background. So they always used to, teach me कि हाँ रिया, how to choose a thread, how to choose a silhouette. If this is a rayon, तो इसमें ये वाला silhouette बन सकता है. If this is a cotton, इसमें ये silhouette बन सकता है. MOQ has to be very low. I would say
Get
the
stuck.
biggest challenge they face is inventory. So you have to work upon the lowest inventory possible. Whenever you're launching a style, start with just, I would say, your warehouse only should have 20 to 30 pieces. The first collaboration I had and told them was कि मेरा MOQ बहुत छोटा होगा. Once it like picks up, I'll do my justice to it and I'll try to give you the bigger lot. But what support I need from your end, I want to have a small lot. But luckily, those 810 style I launched at Hopscotch First Cry, they were like, doing pretty good. So in 2018 February, luckily I got a call from Myntra. Since that day, there was no looking back. So first day we got 10 orders.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so nice. So we got live in somewhere around, I think, this April somewhere. So April में आते आते like they saw कि हाँ your designs have they are picking up. Create one catalog of 50 styles because our EORS is coming.
Hmm.
So what I used to do when my
400 orders you have to make and then ship it, and there's a timeline also, right?
you have to follow. And what we used to do, because we never wanted any style to go out, because that's a basic hygiene you maintain online.
Yeah.
If your style or any size of it go offline, Elgo automatically push it
Downward. Yeah.
downwards. So I used to put lot of virtual inventory या कोई भी style out of stock नहीं जाना चाहिए, कोई भी size out of stock नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Okay.
So what I used to do, I made it like, a point they should sleep by 9:30.
Okay.
So once they come back from, school date 2 baje tak, after their lunch, I take them to some activity classes. Once we come back, I go to office for like नीचे एक level down पे I had a small office. So as to, check orders, I used to take all the print so that I do not breach the SLA. And when they sleep at 9:30, I used to again go to my small office in my home. I used to pack every order by my own hands.
Wow.
Because inventory का यही रहता था कि like उतना ही space था कि हाँ, there'll be a 50 pieces like of each style I can keep. And there used to be 20 orders, 30, 35 orders a day. वो I used to pack and
किया कैसे लेकिन ये 400 orders?
I mean, I don't know. So what feedback I got from the category team, Myntra category team, that you have given fashion forwardness to the category.
Okay.
So हमें पता ही नहीं था कि बच्चों में फैशन वेयर होता है.
Hmm.
So we were the first fast fashion wear brand for kids.
Very nice. Jumpsuit was kind of your hero product, right?
Exactly.
The
That
USP.
category. Yeah.
Very nice.
After that, cords came in fashion. And we were the first brand to do cords, clothing sets. जो अभी भी मिंत्रा पे, मतलब that category was empty. वहाँ पे clothing sets पे क्या होता था? जो हम बोलते हैं ना बाबा सेट,
हाँ.
वो होते थे.
Night set.
Night suit set, बाबा सेट, वो like one t-shirt and one shorts. So I told my category कि यार अब जैसे women wear normally is like वो इतना evolve हो रहा है. Why can't we have such fashion wear for kids?
Yeah.
Then we came with our ethnic wear. First ethnic wear collection was of LP was a big flop.
Oh.
And I was so overconfident by that time कि नहीं हम तो like we are very strong at doing it. But yeah, Indian market is not prepared for online market. At that point of time, it was actually a challenge to crack, because अगर आपने pricing high कर दिया, something which is like somewhere around 700, 800, they used to buy it online. But जैसे ही वो थोड़ा सा upside पे जाता था, there was a simple notion कि, sizing fit नहीं हुआ तो कौन इतने hustle में जाएगा, let's go market and buy. Fashion, fast fashion means every month you're coming with something new. Every month you're coming with new silhouettes, new
Right.
prints, and people already have the expectation कि नया क्या आएगा market में, LP, what
It's
new
kind of
collection.
hard to crack also because see Zara today. If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, the Sonika Mata Show Clips.